Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can check your Steam replay on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to check your Steam replay on your computer easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to go on to your Steam launcher, or you're going to open up your web browser, and here you're going to go on to store.steampowered.com, and once you're here, you're just going to log in with your account, and once you log in with your account, you'll see Steam replay here. As you can see, I have it here. If you don't see it, then just come here and refresh the page, and then it will appear for you. Just click on it, and once you click on it, it will load your Steam replay, and as you can see, it's loading it for me. Once it's done loading, you'll see your Steam replay. As you can see, these are my games played, my most played game, my achievements unlocked, my streak, what type of games I play, and my most played game. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was to check your Steam replay or Steam recap on your computer. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.